all these months of preparation, everything is due tomorrow. Remember to have fun, enjoy it. You know, you remember the reason why you started this, and so you have to enjoy it. Just a few pointers. Remember that you focus one task at a time. When you're at the swim, focus on approaching it, getting into the water, swimming as fast as you can, get out of the water. Don't think about cycling or running.
Oh, top water! Welcome back to the K Show, and this is D-Day. Right, Shun?
What?
D-Day.
D-Day? Oh.
Wow. Boss, morning.
Like that. And then you tear this off.
Ah.
5. Pull up your sleeve.
Is it right or left?
Right.
Right or left?
Okay.
So that like a pro, like a true experienced triathlete. Twist it and then you wet the outside. Yes. Okay, so put your hand over the sink, open the water and like splash. Yeah.
The paper.
Yeah, don't have to be so direct, just like tap. Yeah.
I'm not going to do this right.
All covered. The big reveal. Yeah, I think so.
It's coming out.
Yeah, I think it's okay. Okay, you do it.
Do what?
The big jing.
I'm a 5.
5.
Can I just put everything together?
I don't know. Just one by one is like
That's technology.
Technology.
okay, I think I remember.
Sure. I want to peel off. Oh shit! Noobs. Oh no.
What?
It will. It slides already. Why, huh?
It's genius make genius face, right? Then peel off the sticker, right?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
You genius, you didn't peel off the sticker lah.
No, it slides.
You peel off the sticker lah.
Oh yeah.
Okay, faster. No, use marker pen to write the thing.
No.
Wah, lawak gila.
Genius.
Lawak gila. That's right, ikut aja.
You want to
Dah pay
listen?
attention. No, the 3 then right marker pen.
Because the 5 is also coming out.
No, the 5 is fine. 5 is like
Which
super
way
big.
did you just want?
Oh, look at that. Bagus.
Oh gosh. Doesn't want to come out.
Yeah, cannot lah. Just use marker lah. So, ding. Welcome to the triathlon.
Got a 5 coming out.
What do you say, Mr.
Nerves. It's okay.
All part of the initiation process.
You should give 2 numbers for those people who just started.
Oh, true also.
Yeah, because noobs always. Noobs like shit.
Excuse me.
Excuse me. Can I just tape it?